Hey Billy, all right, I'm going to show you how to make the 30-second duel. And the first thing you want to do is go to this website. It's called flickpress.com, FLIXPRESS.com. And this is the website that I use to make a lot of the pre-made stuff that you see in the 30-second duels, like the intro and the students going head to head and the credits. Um, and then I'm going to show you how I put it all together. So in TouchCast, I'm going to come up here to the top where it says My Projects. And, well, actually, before that, I would create a new TouchCast. And that's where I would put all of my video and everything I'm going to create. So I've already started doing that. And now that I started doing it, I can go back and I can work on it. And it's going to be in My Projects. So I'm going to click on My Projects. And I'm going to find the 30-second duel that I've been working on. And when I open it, you can see everything that I've done is here at the bottom, and I'm scrolling through it. So for example, right here, this intro, this was created using FlickPress. Right here, the two students going head to head, created using FlickPress. And the credits were all made using FlickPress. So once I make them, I just download them to my computer, and then I upload them into Dropbox, and then I can easily put them into TouchCast. From there, I just record myself using the green screen. And to show you how I go about using the green screen, pretty simple to do. I just come down here to Add Media, and then I can record in studio with the camera, and this will pop up. And when this pops up, I come down here to the camera, and in camera, I come to Effects, and then I simply just hit the green screen, and I can choose either a picture or a video that I want to use as my background. And once I choose it, if I was behind the green screen, you would see the image behind me. Okay. So I also put in what are called VApps. And to add VApps, you just touch on the VApps icon right here, and then you go to Add a VApp. And when you go to Add a VApp, there's several that I use. The basic ones that I use is just the poll in order to have students vote. And the poll would be right here. So to add a poll, you just simply just type in the question and your answers. You don't need to have 3 answers. The third one will go away. But then you can just preview it and then add it into your video. I also add in the social handler, so in case people want to follow me on a social media, they can. You can put in, that's down here, social handler. And you have several options that you can put in. A Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, or Facebook, and then you just simply type in what it is right there. The VApps are great to make the videos interactive. So any of these do amazing things. You can put in YouTube videos, web pages. A hotspot is another one that I use. And a hotspot is a VApp that doesn't appear on the screen. It would appear somewhere in the video. For example, I say to people, you can touch on my face or on my head to find out more information about 30-second duel. That's an example of a hotspot because it's not a VApp that you're clicking on, but an image or the person itself. But there's a lot of great things on here to do all kinds of duels, to make them interactive. After I get done recording everything, I actually record everything into sections, so that way it's manageable. So you can see that here I have a part, and here's another part. So I'll record a little bit, I'll stop it, then I'll go back and I'll record more. I do it in small sections, so it's easier to manage. And if I make a mistake, it's very easy because TouchCast now has a lot of editing tools that makes it very easy to edit your videos. So for example, if there's something in here I didn't like, I can highlight it and I can trim a part of it if I want, and it's playing, and I can just simply like move the slide down to trim the video. If I want, I can even split the video. I can cut it in a certain place, and that way I'll have 2 clips. So if I made a mistake in the middle of my video, I can easily like use the clips to clip the video in half, and then I can edit out the part that I screwed up. So it works really well. It works very similar to iMovie on the iPad, which is very user-friendly. And then other than that, if I want to rearrange things, I can do that easily. I just touch on the image, and then it starts to float, and I can move it into another section. So TouchCast has done some really amazing work to make creating the videos so much easier. So that's basically how I make the video. I'm trying to think if there's anything I'm leaving out. To get the students' pictures, I actually watch their video, and then at a certain point when they're making an awkward face or a weird face, I'll pause it, and then I'll screenshot it on my iPad, and then I will go ahead and just crop it, and then I'll send it to my computer, and I'll put that picture into FlickPress, into this image here, which is really easy to do. So that's basically how I create it, and when I'm done, I just save it, and then I can get a link from the video and share it. So I hope that answered your questions. If you go to create one and if you run into a question, please let me know. I mean, I'd be more than willing to help you in any way I can. So I hope you found this useful, and I'm sorry on the delay on it.